What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am unboxing this set of a weighted jump rope and some resistance bands with some guides, etc. Okay, now I do love gadgets, I do love unboxing, reviewing stuff for you. So if you like this channel, if you like this video and want more of this content, then like this video and press subscribe button. Okay, other than that, let's get started. So I've got this set of Amazon and it's done by Fuller Active, or however you read that, and it's a weighted jump rope for men and women with 3 resistance bands. Okay, and apparently it comes with a guide as well, 5-10 minute workouts. Okay, you can do at home with little to no equipment, so that would be good. Presumably it does include some workouts with the jump rope and with resistance bands, so that would be very helpful. So other than that, let's just get our unboxing experience underway. Okay, so not a lot on the box, just this label showing the product. Download your complimentary guide inside. So let's just unpack this. This is going to be noisy. That's quite heavy. Remember, it's a weighted jump rope, so it's not going to be like the cheap ones you find on Amazon for a few pounds. It's actually quite heavy. Okay, it's got this nice feel pouch to it. So I do like this. It's got the logo, the company logo on it. Let me see. Oh my goodness, that is one heck of a bag. You can use it for other purposes as well. Okay, so everything is branded inside. That's the bag, really nice one. Okay, we've got some cards here. Fuller Active. I'll put this to the side. Now, okay, so we've got hip resistance bands. Okay, and you actually have, straight out of the box, you have examples of how to do your workout here. So that's good. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 exercises right out of the box, and you have 5 10-minute full workouts in your additional guide. Okay, so how to download this guide? I believe we do have the link. Yes, the link is here. Okay, that's by one of my students, so I know it's going to be good. I'll put this to the side. Now we do have some resistance bands, and presumably they have different levels of strength to it. Okay, so this one is light, then this one is medium, and this one is heavy. So they actually correspond to the shades of gray. 50 shades of gray here. So I'm just going to see. Oh, okay. They do have those stripes. They are kind of like rubbery stripes. Okay. So they are anti-slip, I would say. So I'm just going to stretch this. Nice one. Okay. So that will be actually really helpful, because I've seen some bands that are like really cheap and rubbish. This one seems to be really good quality. So I'll put this to the side here. I'm probably not going to be able to do the second one with my hands. Okay, I still can. And again, it's got this on the inside, it's got this kind of silicone rubbery texture to it, so it's going to be anti-slip as well. So that's your second band, and then the third one is going to be the heaviest, probably. Yeah, that is heavy. Okay, so you need to have some strong legs for it. Okay, good. So that's brilliant. Okay, because you can actually exercise and work out a few different parts of your body without the need to buy new ones. Okay, and I saw some of the bands before and they were like very cheap rubbish. So those are actually nice quality, and they do have this texture towards the inside, so that's good. Okay, now looking at the listing, so we've got those 3 resistance bands. Wear resistant steel wire rope, which is this one. We are going to have a look at this in just a few minutes. A quality, thicker, heavier rope. Okay, we're gonna have a look at this. What else do we have here? Let's take a look at the images. Indoor use, outdoor use, which is awesome. Shape the body. Okay, now we've got the comparison of the training, which is interesting. I'll make sure you can see the picture as well. High calorie burning rate. Okay, so apparently rope skipping burns over 1000 calories per hour in comparison to, for example, walking 300 calories, swimming 500, running 600, and cycling 700. Okay, so okay, good one. Suitable for multiple scenarios: floor, gym, beach, field, cement floor, rooftop, garden, plastic floor. So you can take it with you anywhere and pretty much have complete workout. Okay, yes, okay, muscle building, cardio boost, healthy life, and that's awesome. And we've got the jump rope here, so let's take a look at the jump rope. That is heavy, guys. Okay, that is really nice. And I am just going to cut those wires here with my knife. Let's just do this. Okay, the other one. Hope not to cut the jump rope. Okay, so this is the jump rope. It's quite long. How long it is? 76 centimeters. No, those are those straps. I do not see the length of the jump rope, but it's fairly long. I'm 6'2". I'm not gonna jump here in front of the camera, but I will try it later. I'm just going to kind of look at this here. Okay, guys, so that is long. That is going to be enough. It's got this logo as well here. It's got the nice anti-slip handle with those rubbers here. Okay, you can presumably take them off if you don't like them, but it's got a very, very solid grip. Very solid grip, and it actually turns around, so that should work nicely. I wonder if you can actually unscrew it, see what's inside. Okay, so there are some steel bearings here. Okay, and there are also some of these extra attachments here in the box, which, to be honest, I don't know what they are for. Maybe I can find out. They definitely go inside of the jump rope, so maybe they are just replacements. I know. Okay, I think they are actually to shorten the maybe to shorten the jump rope, basically, if it's too long for you. So they are just kind of holders, I think so. I'm just guessing. Okay, so this is a really nice and thick and heavy jump rope. Okay, it's got some weight to it, so that should make you work out even harder if you are into this type of workout. Okay, nice, very nice. So that is really it for this review. That's what's inside the box, plus the instructions as well. You've got the workout here, you've got the extra ebook with it as well. You've got the 3 resistance bands, different levels, and yeah, I'll try it, I'll report back to you, but it seems to be like a really, really nice product, so good luck with it. Okay, I'll put the links to it down below this video. If you want, you can grab it on Amazon UK. That's it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.